Hi guys, welcome to my new video. You are most welcome in my channel. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can practice yourself the English and what should you do at home, because many people are commented me and asking me that what should I do, because I am lonely at home and there are not any environment for speaking English, and I have no friend also. So what should I do that I can also speak English fluently and confidently? It's happened with every beginner. I am going to tell you that it's happened with every beginner, and you should not worry about anything, that you can also speak English like us. And when we were also trying to speak with somebody, I had also this problem, and I have faced this type situation. So you should not worry about these all things, and you have to remove these all things, and you can do it, because we have proved that I have learned English myself, and I had not joined any coaching class, any institute. I did not go for learning this language, and I have learned this language myself, and now I am able to speak with different peoples all over from the India. So guys, please don't skip this video, and please watch till end. I am going to tell you that what should you do at your home, so that you can also speak English fluently like us, and please be continue in this video. First thing, you have to know that what's this problem is happens with us. I mean, when you are trying to speak with someone, you are not able to speak with someone, and you are not able to speak fluently the English. You are speaking only one two lines. After that, you are stucking. I mean, there are no any words are coming from your mouth after some time. And I know that many people are asking me that I can understand the English. I can speak myself the English. But whenever I will try with someone to speak anything in English, so I have no any words after some time. So guys, this problem happens with every beginner, so you should not worry about that, and you can remove it by practicing. Yeah, practicing. So many people are thinking that I have no any friends, and there are not any environment. I will so how can I practice with myself? So listen to me. You have to practice with yourself the English, because if you will not practicing that, you will ever speak English fluently, and you will not speak with anybody. You will not speak with somebody the English like this, because you are not practicing with someone, and you have to practice every day. And many people are thinking that if I will mistake, then what will the people say? Until you will think like this, you never speak English. So you should not worry about mistake. First thing is that don't ever think that about the mistake. Until you will think about the mistake, you will never speak English. Okay, so let's come to the point. How can you practice at your home? First thing, yeah. So guys, I am going to tell you that you have to use the mirror for practicing. You have to sitting in front of a mirror. Everybody has a mirror at home, so you have to use the mirror for practicing. Okay, and you have to say say some sentence in the English like this, and always remember my suggestion that whenever you will try to practice with yourself, that you have to practice always three things, like positive, negative, and interrogative. For example, in the positive, I am going to Patna, and in the negative, I am not going to Patna. Interrogative means question type question sentence. Why I am going to Patna? When I am going to Patna? Why are you going to Patna? Like this, you have practicing like this, because whenever you will conversation with anybody, and when you will try to speak in front of anybody, then you will ask him a question, and he will also ask you this question. So it is important that you have to know about the question type sentence. Yeah. So first thing is that you have to use the mirror for practicing yourself. After that, think only in English. Yes, it's happened that we are thinking only our mother tongue and local language, because it is in our mind. So you have to try that every day, about 10 to 20 minutes you have to think only the English. You have to think only English, not your mother tongue, not your native language. Yeah. Third thing, you have to reading anything. You have to reading anything like books, newspaper. Yeah. You have to reading every day. After that, you have to watch English movies with subtitle. Whenever you will search on the YouTube, you have to search the short film with subtitle in the English. Yes, subtitle really works to improve our English. After that, you have to use your front camera to make a video. You have to make a short video, and after record, you have to check that how can I speak English. Yes. You have to make a video by using of your front camera. Yes. So when you will do these things regular about 15 to 20 days, definitely you will be speaking English fluently. Yes. And whenever you will practice in front of mirror, and you should try that you have to play both person role. I mean, you have to say something, and suppose that you are also another people, and you have to answer that question like that. How do you do? And you have to answer that I am better today. So guys, I hope you have understand that why which I have mentioned in this video. I am telling you again that first thing is you have to practice in front of mirror. Second thing, apart from it, you can practice with yourself. I mean, you have to think only English word, not in your native language. You have to do about 10 to 20 minutes every day. You have to think only English, not in your mother tongue. Third thing, you should not worry about the mistake. Many people are thinking that what will people say, and people will laugh at me if I will mistake. Mistake is the part of human life. You know that. So you should not worry about the mistake, and definitely that day will come soon in your life when you will speak very frontally the English. Yeah. So I hope you have understood very well, and you should try that method, and I hope that definitely this method will work, and you will also speak English very frontally after few days. Yes.